Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a screen recording to your YouTube video so you can create high quality tutorials and gameplay clips for your audience. Whether you are using a computer or a mobile device, including a recording of your screen is one of the best way to explain a process or show off a new app. The first step is to capture your screen footage. If you are on a computer, you can use free tools like Loom or built-in screen recorder on your laptop. For Windows user, simply press the Windows key and the letter G to open the game bar. For Mac user, the shortcut is Command-Shift-5. On your phone, you can usually find the screen record button in your quick settings menu. Make sure to turn on your microphone if you want to record your voice at the same time. Once you have finished your the next step is to add it to your video project. Open your favorite video editing software such as Clipchamp or CapCut. These are great because they are free and very easy to use. Import your main video file and then import the screen recording file you just made. If you want the screen recording to fill the entire frame, just drag it onto your main timeline. If you want to show your face in the corner while the screen recording plays, you can use the picture-in-picture effect. This is also called an overlay. Simply place the screen recording on track above your camera footage and resize the window so it sits neatly in the corner. This gives your video a professional look and keeps your viewers engaged.